Hello guys, this is Dr. K. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve your Wi-Fi problems on your Windows 10 operating system. For example, you are facing the problem that says a limited access or even this Wi-Fi is not even connecting to your Wi-Fi router. How you can solve this problem? Let's see. There are few steps you can follow to solve this problem. So the first step is just right click on your start menu button. And in here just go to power option. Okay. So right click and then just choose this power option, and this is going to open this kind of interface. And in here we want to choose this option which says balanced, which is also recommended. So sometimes this option is chosen which is power saver, but we need to choose this option which says balance, which is also recommended, right? And then just click this option which says change plan settings, and in here you just need to choose this option which says change advanced power settings, and in here you will be able to see the Wi-Fi adapter settings. So just choose this option which says Wi-Fi adapter settings and then go to power saving mode. In here in the settings you will able to see some options, right? You will be able to see maximum power saving, maximum medium power saving, or low power saving, or maximum performance. So in order to fix the Wi-Fi problems you must have this maximum performance. Okay, so choose this option which says maximum performance if it's already been chosen by the default settings, and then apply and then click OK. Restart your PC and check if this problem is solved.